Hello kids, hope all of you are good. Today your mother teacher topic is soil part 2. So let's talk about it. Soil is the loose surface material that covers most land. It consists of inorganic particles and organic matters. Soil provides the structural support to plants and used in agriculture. It is also their source of water and nutrients. Soils vary greatly in their chemical and physical properties. The mixture of rocks, particles, and humus is called the soil. Living organisms such as bacteria, plants, root, and earthworm are also important part of any soil. The soil is classified on the basis of proportion of particles of various sizes. We usually see the top surface of the soil, not the layer below it. If the look at the slide of a recently dug ditch, we can see the inner layer of soil too. Such view enable us to observe the soil profile at that place. Soil profile can also be seen while digging a well or laying the foundation of building. It can also be seen at the sides of roads on the hill or at the stepped river bank. The uppermost horizon is generally dark in color as it is rich in humus and minerals. The humus makes soil fertile and provide nutrients to growing plant. This layer is generally soft, porous, and can retain more water. It is called topsoil or the A horizon. This provides shelter for many living organisms such as worm, rodent, moles, and beetles. The root of small plants are embedded entirely in the topsoil. The next layer has lesser amount of humus but more of minerals. This layer is generally harder and more compact, and this is called B horizon or middle layer. The third layer is the C horizon, which is made of small lumps of rocks with cracks and crevices. Before this layer is bedrocks, which is hard and difficult to dig the spade. So let's talk about facts about the soil. Number 1. The most important plants nutrients are nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Number 2. In 1 gram of soil, the number of bacteria range from 100,000 to several billion. Number 3. Soil stores 10% of the world's carbon dioxide emission. Number 4. A fully functioning soil reduces the risk of flood and protect underground water supplied by the neutralizing the air, filtering out the potential pollutant and storing as much as 3,750 tons of water per hectare. So kids, tell me, what is horizon B? Please write in a comment section. Hope you all kids are able to learn and recognize about the soil part 2. If you like my video, please like it, share it, and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for support.